So what up guys, in today's video I'm going to be drawing that looks like one of these.
You're lying, bruh.
What?
I'm gonna show you how I did this, how I drew it, and how I colored it. So let's go. And stop lying, bruh.
Alright man.
Yes sir!
Okay, so what up guys, I'm back again. We got this sheet of paper that I've been drawing on for a few days or a week now, and I've labeled the progress of the base or the base that I've been drawing, which is the first one, second one, third one, and the butterfly is the last one. And I'm going to be reading the tips down here, and I hope that you guys can find this video a little bit useful. And plus, if you don't wanna like listen to me talking, you can like go to the description below and you'll find all of these, and I'll pop up links of the colored pencils and the blending solubles and everything if you wanna try drawing these for yourself. And guys, don't be scared to use these bits as reference. I really don't mind, but you should give credit so I can get a little bit something, right? So let's start. The colored pencils that I used Faber Castell colored pencils. They also come with colored skin pencils. Let me get those. Yeah, here they are. They are back to back on each end. So there are 3 pencils, but each of them is back to back like this. You can see like this part and this part, all of them they are. So you can like get 6 colored pencils, skin tones, like they are Faber Castell, so they made that. So kudos to Faber Castell for doing that for us, because like we all know that Faber Castell, not Faber Castell, I mean skin tones are very not cheap. They are very expensive. So kudos to Faber Castell for putting this in the pack of the 16 colored pencils. So let me pop them so you can see them. Let me pop them out. Here they are. These are the colored pencils I've been using for drawing, and this is a pen. These are the colored pencils I've been using, and I'm gonna show you using a white and a blue. Let's use this blue. So you've seen the skin tones and you've seen the colors I use, right? So you might be wondering like which pencil I use, right, to sketch all my drawings. I use the 5H pencil. I hope you can see that perfectly. I use a 5H Staedtler pencil it's made in Germany, but they are available in South Africa if you are in South Africa and you wanna like draw. And you might be wondering how to color your drawings. So I'm gonna be using this sheet of paper, the same sheet of paper. So if you wanna like color your drawings, you gotta go in circular motion like this, right? You can see that I'm doing it in the light. Okay, let me just do it in this corner. You do it like this in circular motion, right? Circular motion, and you can get you don't get spaces, like you see, in circular motion is very perfect. And the amount of colored pencil or shade that you put on the paper will remain the same as long as you don't like go too fast or go too slow. All you have to do is be into the preferable amount of speed and amount of pressure being put into the paper. So use the circular motion to color the drawings that you are drawing, and you gotta do it in layers. Okay, every single day, every single time, not every single day, every single time you gotta do it in layers. Don't be scared to go too light, because sometimes going too harsh can like damage the paper and the drawing itself. So let me show you why I say go in layers. This is the first layer. You see the different shades are not the same, right? The different colors. Then you go like this. Is the first layer, you can see. Then I'm taking the second layer, I'm blending it so you can see how it blends, right? It blends perfectly over the other one. You can see that's the reason why you gotta go in layers. Let me pop that a little bit up. You can see that they blended very well. Here is the dark blue and the sky blue. You can see the difference, right? That's where they blended. So going in layers helps you to color and shade in your drawings perfectly, especially when it comes to birds. When it comes to birds, it helps you. And one thing I gotta say, remember to use circular motion. You can see the first time when I used colored pencils, it damaged the drawing. You can see the lines because I wasn't using circular motion and it wasn't like layering perfectly, right? You can see where the oranges, the yellow and the pink. That's because I wasn't layering it. I was like going in too harsh. I was going in too harsh. I was doing something like this. You see, that's what I was doing. And the best tip is that go light and go slowly. Layer your colored pencils. And the third thing that's very important is how to blend the drawings or the colored pencils. Most people like use rubbing alcohol. Some say that the baby oil works perfectly, and I remember myself saying that in my last video or my previous video. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna be drinking water. And guys, I feel like I gave you the wrong information, right? I'm sorry for that. So you gotta stop using baby oil. If you ever used it before, stop using it because it's gonna bleed onto the other page, the underneath part of your drawing page. So use rubbing alcohol, which has 70% of alcohol. And if you don't have rubbing alcohol, you can always use the white colored pencil. Do you remember when I was like drawing this butterfly? I used a white colored pencil to blend my drawings, all of them. Then I think that's it. Yeah, and use the lightest pencil, right? Okay, not the lightest, like the pencil that you prefer the most, right? To sketch your drawings. That is gonna do you good because you are the one who will be drawing, so you know what you prefer than what. So make sure that you do what suits you. And please people, I hope this video will be valuable and informative to you, and I hope that you enjoy it and enjoy art also. So don't like rush yourself, just take it slowly and you'll get there. Even I myself, I'm still learning, and I hope that I'm gonna make big process in time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, before I forget, from the 15th of February, I'm gonna be like posting vlogs because I'm gonna be a senior this year, right, at my high school. So I'm gonna show you all how it is like to live as a senior high school student in South Africa, especially where I live in South Africa, because South Africa, bruh, is, you'll see what I'm talking about from the 15th. I hope you enjoyed the video. 50k is out, baby girls. Daddy loves you. Yeah, yo. Keep yourself hydrated. Let's go. I love you.